pagkakataon na makaharap ko po kayo and for me to convey personally my thanks and gratitude to all of you for supporting me last election. In my heart of hearts, I know I've won. But I ask for your pardon and understanding because I was not able to bring home the wreath of victory to you. Alam naman natin na pati ang halalan sa ating bansa ay sinasalaula. Hanggang ngayon, hindi mapaliwanag ang 17 million overvotes. Ang tanging sagot lamang ng nangangasiwa sa ating COMELEC, technical glitch. Sa lahat ng questionableng pamamaraan at prosesong nasaksihan natin noong halalan, ang sagot ng chairman ng COMELEC, technical glitch. Nagtatago si Chairman Technical Glitch